It's good, man. I never imagined that having every bit of stuff that I own be in one room in the house and having my wife have all the other rooms would be useful. But it kind of worked out well because now, I get my space and she gets her space. Because otherwise, dude, we can't spend like 16 hours together looking at each other's faces. We've been together too long for that shit. I don't know how you guys are dealing with it, but yeah.
No, that's true. I isolate myself also in this self isolation in our house. But you have been doing some quite interesting stuff online, especially on your personal Facebook. What happened to that Veer in times of Corona?
So what happened was I did it. I did like 8 or 9 of them. And then three things happened. I had a better idea, which was for something called The Bright Side with Veerdas. And then I got excited by that. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to focus energy on doing that. And then Hasmukh got preponed.
When you had narrated the log line, Vidya and I both have been excited since that day. Okay, wow, this is something new. And it's exactly the way we expected. A little more actually, because we never thought that we will see you in that kind of a Desi character. So tell me more about Hasmukh.
I was worried, man, because a lot of people, it's there's a lot of things that people don't know about the character just yet, right? So people think, he's Bihari or he's Bhojpuri or he's this thing. He's actually not from Saharanpur and he's not from Bihar or this thing. He's just kind of adopted into a family from Saharanpur, so his accent is very weird. He's socially awkward. He can't talk. He needs to kill to be good at stand-up. That's Hasmukh's thing. But he needs to kill within 20 minutes of getting on stage. तो मतलब आदमी को मार के स्टेज पे घुसना है, फिर उसमें एनर्जी आ जाती है, जोश आ जाती है. अगर 20 मिनट निकल गए तो फिर गांड लग गई and he's no longer good on stage because Hasmukh is actually a terrible comedian. But you kind of get to see him grow and pursue the career path that all of us would pursue when we moved to Bombay, just with murder.
But that's Hasmukh's, as you call it, Viagra. What is Veer's Viagra before he goes on stage?
I do biscuits. ऐसा I have one lucky belt and I listen to classical music and I just get on stage.
So tell me, what is that one thing you have realized about yourself during this lockdown, which you didn't know about yourself before? Is there anything which you discovered something new or realized something new during the lockdown?
The thing is, I'm having a very strange lockdown. I'll tell you why. All right. See, I'm digitally irrelevant. We all know this. Right? At the end of the day, I'm not a YouTube star. I'm not a viral guy at all, right? And then somehow these 3 Netflix specials happened, and now I have a digital following. I'll give you an example. I put an Alien Chutney video out this morning. Happy people, please fuck off. All right? Which is a song, Manan, that is 5 years old. Suddenly, because now there's attention on my Insta and on my digital numbers, people are like, "Oh, you wrote this yesterday or what?" I'm like, "नहीं बेंचो ने 5 साल पहले किया ये, 5 साल पहले किया है." But it's just like you weren't interested in me digitally 5 years ago. Now you're interested. So I'm busy just kind of saying, okay, I have a huge catalog of stuff that I now get to share with people and package with people in this lockdown. You and I have had this conversation for a long time. I still believe if they see you live and you were not 50 times better live than you were online, they're never going to come see you again. So you're much better off having them always spend money to come and see you live. That's where the game is. So I just never really focused on online. So now I'm just like, every day I'm in here shooting some shit or the other. And when this is done, I'll get back to, getting on stage. Aren't you annoyed by the number of Instagram lives that are happening right now?
Oh, damn. Right now, there might be 4 people online. I'm pretty sure of that. Like, it's happening all over the place. Didn't you go live? Didn't you go Instagram live? Why are you not doing that?
So what I did was, I'm like, we're going to feel normal again. All right. So I did a perfectly normal Instagram live, which was 90 seconds. All right. So I came on for 90 seconds. I was like, hello, how are you? And people responded, I'm okay. And then I was like, how's work? And they were like, okay. And I'm like, family, theek hai? And they were like, okay. And then I left. That was the whole Instagram live, and we got like some 3,000-4,000 people to watch that.
I'm just itching to get on stage now because I've never been off stage for such a long time, and I know it must. I know it must be harder for you.
I think the temptation is we're all going to come out of this with our own net, no? At the end of the day, every comedian is going to be like, I lived, oh my pain, I was alone for so long and I'm so happy to see you, and I'm trying not to do that shit, you know? Because A, we're very lucky, and B, everybody's going to be fucking bummed out for a very long time. So even to the other comics, I would say when you write material in this time, write some cheerful shit because the world is going to need it. Like when we come out of this, we're not coming out of this without a lot of people having died, a lot of economies having crashed. There's a lot of bad news before good news comes. So write some fun shit, write some light shit because I think people are going to need it, man.
But staying at home, are you having a good time with your family, Dr. Watson, and everybody?
Shivani, after 8 years of saying, why do you tour so much, has now basically in 3 weeks has said, the second this lockdown is done, you need to leave and go on tour again. Please.
So Vidya and I have been having some interesting arguments which we have never had in the 10 years of our marriage. Are you experiencing something similar? Are you having arguments which you never?
Yeah. I mean, we fight a lot about the science of things. You know what I mean? Like, we'd be like, we're keeping the dog in the compound because we're trying to be responsible. So we don't walk him outside, but then we'll see people walking outside. And, we're having those conversations. He's walking his dog, and I'm like, yeah, but I mean, the science doesn't care about him being an asshole and us not being assholes, no? At the end, we're having those petty arguments. So, yeah.
What is the most weird thing that you have seen online during this lockdown?
I got on TikTok. So that was weird as fuck.
I saw that, and you made some really good TikTok. I must say, Veer, that this is your calling. You should make TikToks now.
Manan, fuck all the Netflix stuff, fuck all the live stuff. मैं अभी influencer बनेगा. This is my plan for life. ठीक है? मैं makeup tutorials करेगा, मैं TikTok करेगा, मैं unboxing videos करेगा. ऐसे पैसे कमाएगा मैं. I'm going to use words like lit and AF. This is my life now, man.
But it's weird, man. TikToks are so weird. I can't believe that there are people out there who make these stuff and there are millions of people who watch it. What is normal now? I don't know.
See, at some level, and I'm talking about it in my next episode as well, this virus is also an IQ test, no? At the end of the day. Like, if everybody's like, don't go outside, and every newspaper is like, don't go outside, and every TV channel is like, don't go outside, and every neta is like, don't go outside, and you still fucking go outside, maybe you deserve, like I'm just saying, and my learning is a lot of us aren't that smart, man. Like I feel like as a population in the world, we got a little bit stupider in the last 20 years. That's what I'm learning. We're just not a very smart world.
Is there any challenge which you would like to create and try to give it out to the virtual world? कि ऐसा challenge होना चाहिए तो.
A hat challenge. There you go. That's what I'd like to create. A hat challenge. Right? So show me your best hat. So show me your hat collection, or just show me a picture of you in a hat. Because, by the way, that's me right there. So if you can see that tree, because that's all I spend money on is hats. So yeah, we can do a hat challenge.
But we just one last thing. You were talking about the online hate which you usually get, and I see you replying to a lot of trolls. पहली बात तो ये कि आपको इतना टाइम कैसे मिलता है? Because I know your schedule. I know how busy of a man you are, but you still have time for the trolls, which is amazing.
I'm a very petty person. I can't resist. Little bit of ungli, I can't resist. And also, it's usually when I'm on tour and I'm traveling somewhere, so I'm waiting at an airport or some shit like that. Celebrities get a bad rap for objecting to being trolled. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was attacked by trolls, I was trolled, etc., etc. I couldn't give two fucks if you troll me. At the end of the day, you and me will get on stage and say what the hell we want about whoever the hell we want, right? We won't think twice about that.
Yeah.
So somebody has that right to say about us as well. And I appreciate that. I respect that right. Please go ahead. But I'm going to show you that I'm funnier than you. that's where I come at it from. But please have at it, and bring your A game, and I'll enjoy that because sometimes it's fun for me as well. It's like a heckle, right?
Most of the jokes about you must be on Mastizade when they try to troll you.
No, dude. I mean, at this point, it's been a long enough career where there's a plethora of options for a troll to go at. It can be everything from you are flop actor to yes, Mastizade to I didn't like your second special. Losing it was a very polarizing special, so people either loved it or hated it. To Ayushman is better. To it's just anything, man. There's a multiple bunch of things that they can talk about. So yeah.
So what's the first thing you're gonna do after you come out of the lockdown?
I think I might go see family. Once that is done, I'm going to hit the road, man. I'm gonna hit the road hard. You know, I also, I had a TV show in development in the US, and that's kind of come to a crashing halt. So I have to pick that up as well. But I have a world tour, man. I'm halfway through a world tour, and I have to do the biggest English tour in Indian history. So, that's kind of what I want to do. Yeah.
All right, Veer, thank you so much. It was wonderful having you. Thank you so much for sparing 30 minutes of your free time.
Exactly, yeah.